What's going on, guys? Rolo back. I know it's been a hot minute. I'm in my A6 right now. It's been down for about a week while I was getting my instrument cluster replaced. I believe it's a common problem. These cars have pixels go out for the little LCD screen, so I just got it back. Just got it repaired, and it has an immobilizer or whatever, so obviously you can't drive it. Cluster's out. If you're wondering where the rest of the videos for interior removal went, the files got corrupted. I was editing, and I don't know why the videos or the files or whatever, they got corrupted. Excuse me. And I wasn't able to finish editing them and uploading them. So, just so you guys see, everything I did after all those videos is I got the new door cards installed. I got the whole interior swapped, headliner, carpet, literally everything. Unfortunately, all those videos aren't going to be up on my channel because the files got corrupted. And then I did end up getting a sweet Black Forest Industries shift knob. It is their Napa leather. I got it black with silver. This thing feels amazing. I love it. This is just wrap, carbon fiber wrap. Got it over here as well. Got a sweet steering wheel. Nice brand new smooth leather. Sweet custom stitching. It's amazing. I love how it feels. Although sometimes when I'm turning and stuff, one-handed, I do still get thrown off by the flat bottom feel of it. Everything is basically here in the interior except for the door cards on all four doors. We are in the process of moving right now, so we have a lot of stuff in boxes. So my vinyl wrap and everything I use for the door cards and the door cards themselves are in the storage unit. So until we move and get that out of the boxes, I won't be able to finish that. But today I'm going to be installing the instrument cluster, and now that the screen is repaired, we'll see how much more stuff I have to fix on the car, because every time I turn it on or while I'm driving or something, there's always something beeping and I'm scared there's something wrong, but I drive it anyways. So without further ado, let's get to installing it, and here goes nothing. Alright, so this is my instrument cluster, and it has 1, 2, and 3 connections. You can see them back here, kind of. They're back there, so I just gotta hook those up, and then I'm gonna reconnect the battery, and then we'll see what happens. So I got it in, battery's connected. Now there's a moment of truth to see if it'll work. Double click the key. It works. Why are my hazards on? Why are my hazards still on? What is going on? Whoa, what's going on? Okay, guys, I'm back. It's the next day after the day you saw where I turned the key over and my instrument cluster went crazy with the lights everywhere. Oh, it was crazy. The immobilizer, which sits right over here, flashing. I would try and start the car, and it would not turn. It would turn over, and it would start in about 2.5 seconds. It would just die, and I kept having the immobilizer light flash, and I was starting to get stressed out. Like, oh my gosh, I don't want to get my keys relearned or reprogram the cluster or whatever it is, these cars, but I did research. I couldn't find much. I am in an Audi C5 group on Facebook. I asked there. A lot of people were saying the same thing, like you were gonna have to get the keys relearned, reprogram the instrument cluster, blah blah blah. So I did some more researching at school. I am in college for getting a master technician degree in automotive. So I did a little bit of researching there. Asked my instructor. He helped me out. and found was, so I took my steering wheel off, and then I took off the steering column trim. So these two pieces here, yes, I know they're two different colors. I don't have the black one from the interior I swapped, just the brown one from the original, so that'll be fixed soon. But I knew all my connections were plugged in correctly. I knew nuts, and it was still like stressing me out. So like I said, we were researching there at school, and what was that, so for your, let me turn on my flashlight here. So wow, that's dusty. On this ignition switch, if I'm not, ignition switch or so, whatever it's called, this little connector right there can be loose. And I just looked at it, just visually looking, when I took the shifter trim off, or the steering column trim off, I was like, that looks plenty tight to me, that looks nice. So I grabbed it from the back right over here and then right here, and I pushed my fingers together, and sure enough, it clicked together. So I hooked my cluster back up, put all the connections back in, and now, where did my keys go? Oh no, where did my keys go? Hold on, there they are. They're under my butt. Now, make sure it's in neutral. If I click the key over, as you can see, the screen works. Immobilizer light is not on anymore. And we are up and running, boys. Oh, I've never seen that work since I've owned the car. I'm so happy about it. But we're up and running now. So I'm super duper excited about that. Super duper excited. Let me shut it off real quick because it's just gonna be loud. But another update. Oh my goodness, another update. Since all my videos files got corrupted and stuff, so you guys remember, my driver's fender had damage and my bumper was all scratched up and stuff. So off my parts car, got the driver's side fender right here. It was just bent or dented, just bad. It was pretty bad. So I got this one on. I mean, it's got just little markings, but it's not scratched, it's not dented, it's perfect. I swapped the bumper over. It's more or less perfect. Only thing I gotta complain about is the paint chipping off of this little thingy and then the surrounding areas. But I mean, it is what it is. I do still have to buy a passenger side fender, because as you can see, this one's damaged. It was damaged on the parts car as well, so there was no point in swapping it. And the only other thing I want to do is I want to get a rear bumper from an 03 to 04, I believe, A6, because those actually have exhaust cutouts and mine does not. So I would like to have my exhaust tips there when I get a cat back. But yeah, so we're up and running now. Got everything working in order. I will definitely have more videos coming soon. I can't guarantee how soon they'll be coming out because, like I said, I'm in the process of moving. So I'm not going to be ordering any parts. I'm not going to be getting stuff for the car, besides like maintenance such as oil changes and stuff, until we are moved out. But that's that. Thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned. Like the video, comment, and I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks so much for watching. Take care.